So, what is a chart? Let's start out with what is a chart,
Okay.
right? Give me a second. Let me start it here. So, I'll be talking about the chart, which is mostly your North Indian style,
Okay.
right? Okay. So, this would be the basic thing which we'll be going to discuss,
Okay.
right? So, consider this as an a space, right?
Okay.
This is your space, and this point, this point, the middle point, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
This is your Earth,
Okay.
right? So this is your Earth. Whenever a person is born,
Mm-hmm.
whenever a person is born, y- basically you are on this planet. This would be your central point.
Mm-hmm.
You look upward and you see whole space, this space, and you just take a screenshot of the space.
Mm.
This is your birth chart, nothing else, right?
Right.
What exactly this is this whole circle
Mm-hmm.
is your space, right? This whole circle is your space. We are just taking a screenshot as the format which we can understand.
Mm.
But actually, what exactly this is a space. This is whole space, this green one. And this space is divided. You know the math, right? The circle is of 360 degree,
Yes. Mm.
right?
360 degrees. Right.
360 degrees. And when we divide that 360 degree into 12 parts,
Mm-mm.
each part will get 30 degree,
30 degree. Okay.
right?
Mm.
So supposedly this this this. So again, all these space part would be divided into 12 part each,
12. Okay.
12 part each, and each part will have 30 degree,
Okay.
right? So what exactly this mean is each of your house, each of your house from here
Mm-hmm.
to here,
Mm.
it is 30 degree of your space, 30 degree of your sky,
Okay.
30 this, then 30 this,
Mm-hmm.
then 30 this, then 30 this, this, this. All these things are
30
your
degrees.
30 degrees. Supposedly, this is your ascending sign. So this would be your 0 to 30 degree. Right? This would be your 30 to 60 degree, right? 60 to 90 degree, and so on. Up to
So,
here we will come as 270 to
360.
360 degree,
Yeah.
300 to 300, sorry, 330 to 330, 360 degree. Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
So this is basically what a chart is. Chart is nothing but the screenshot of your space whenever the time and place and birth you are born,
Yes.
right? So each house is divided into 30 degree, and each 0 to 30 degree is your zodiac sign, right?
Okay.
We'll elaborate it into the later part, what is zodiac sign, but we'll start today with what a chart, what exactly is your Kundali chart, and we'll discuss about planets first. Why planets? Because a zodiac sign has their association with planets. If you don't know about the planets, you will not be able to interpret your zodiac signs, right? We will not talk about any house, will not talk about any Rashi in this class. We'll
Okay.
basically see, I'll make you familiar with the chart today, and then I'm going to make you familiar with the planets,
Okay.
right?
Okay, sir.
Let me clear it out. Okay, let's recreate the chart.
Okay.
In North style, I will make, I will tell you what is the exact difference between North style and South style,
Okay.
right? So you may able to interpret both, right? So in this chart, let's start it out here. This chart is always started from this box, house
Uh,
one,
okay.
right? And we navigate this chart anti-clockwise. In North Indian, this is anti-clockwise. In South Indian, this is clockwise,
Clock, clockwise. Okay.
right? But anti-clockwise, I mean from here, right? Then let's try to make it more clear. Okay. Clockwise means firstly this house to this house, right?
Okay.
Then this house to this house, this, 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 right?
Yes, sir. Right.
This is how we're going to navigate this.
Okay.
So this house started from house 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There will always be 12 houses according to what zodiac signs we have. 12 zodiac sign, 12 houses.
12 hours.
Same is the case in North Indian style, but uh, that is something like this. You had seen South Indian style, right?
Yes, I have seen. I have seen. South
Okay. So it would be something like this. And this would be navigate from like this,
Yes, sir.
right? Now,
Yes.
one more difference, one major difference. In North Indian style, your houses are always fixed, but your Rashi moves, means your zodiac sign moves
Mm.
from chart to chart.
Right.
In South Indian style, your Rashis are fixed, so your zodiac sign is fixed. If this is from starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on,
Mhm.
but houses move. This is a major difference. In North Indian style, houses will always be same. House first is from here, it will always be from here.
Yes.
In South Indian style, if it can be from here, from here, from here, from here, from here, from here,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
In North Indian style, you must have seen some has one written here, some has five written here, some
Yes.
has five written here, some has six written here, some have seven written here, right?
Yes. Yes.
That means the zodiac signs are moving. The significance of the house will always be same, right?
Understand. Yes.
Okay. So we'll talk more about this in
Okay.
in later in today's class only. But
Mm.
what I want to do is I want to tell you about planets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what are planets? These are the heavenly bodies right now, right? Which basically influence your chart. Yes. Okay. So these are also known as grah in Hindi. It's known as planets, grah.
Great.
Yeah. Like we used to say Mangal grah, Shukra grah. So Mangal planet means Mars planet. So our in Vedic astrology, we have 9 planets in, and that start from Sun to Saturn. Sun to Saturn.
That's it.
I told you earlier also that impact of Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto is a bit less because they kind of take a whole human life transit from one sign to another in the transit. So they are not considered as such. They are mostly taken in mundane astrology,
Mhm.
where there is nation involved, there is nature involved. In mundane astrology, uh, we take those guys, and those are mostly part of the Western astrology,
Western astrology. Right.
yeah, right? Not the Indian astrology, not the Vedic astrology.
Yeah.
So, what graphs which will be doing is that we have 9 planets starting from Sun,
Sun.
Surya, Moon, Chandra, right? Then we have Mars, also known as Kuja in south, Mangal in north, right? If you buy, I know I was reading a book, it was from a South Indian author, and they never mentioned Mars or
Mm.
Mangal. They mentioned Kuja,
Puja.
Kuj, and I was like, what is this planet? So I had to do at time some research. Then I
Yes.
came to know that Mars is also known as Kuja, right? Then there is
Mm.
Mercury, Buddha, Jupiter, Guru or Brahaspati, Venus, Shukra, Shani, Saturn, Shani, Shanichar, or Saturn. Same thing.
Mm. Very sure.
Then there comes Rahu and Ketu.
Yeah. Mm.
So the concept of Rahu Ketu is more important. Let me please share. So here is Earth, right? And then there is Moon. Consider consider this is the orbital path of Moon around the Sun. Moon around the Earth. This is the orbital path,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Now, in this axis, where it get where there is the intersection of the moon, this part, and this part,
Mm.
right? Supposedly, moon is moving from this direction.
Okay.
The part which is upside, north of the moon, the intersection, this intersection, right?
Mm. Yes.
This intersection is your Rahu, and from south, this intersection, this is your K,
Okay.
right? So Rahu's Ketu is also known as a mathematical points, calculated points, or you can also known they are also known as shadowy planet. They doesn't seem physically, but these points have a lot of impact in your life, in your chart, right? All other
Yes.
planets, you can see those planets, physically see those planets, but Rahu and Ketu are your mathematical points,
Shadow. Huh? They call it shadow.
cal- cal- shadow planets.
Shadow. Yes.
They don't as such exist, but they have a very good impact on your Vedic astrology,
Yeah.
right? Now you understand what are Rahu and Ketu, right?
Yes, sir. So that means Rahu and Ketu will be always following the moon in the middle, and Rahu and Ketu is always following like that from
You
Vedic
can
astrology.
say, but in chart you can't say that because
Hmm.
um, the moon could be here.
Yeah, I meant to say it. Always the moon will be in the middle, and Rahu and Ketu will be in the other side. Okay,
No,
then
no,
the not like that. Huh?
no,
In the chart, it cannot
not
be like that.
not
Okay.
not like. So the thing is, this moon could be here,
Hmm.
right? And Rahu is on here. Ketu can be here, but in chart you can see they both would be could be different, right?
Oh, they
Since
can be together or different.
since
Okay.
yes, since this is oval shape, not the circle shape,
Okay.
they can be closer to moon, they can be away from the moon,
Hmm.
depending upon the degree, right? But one thing is for sure, Rahu and Ketu will always be opposite to each other in chart in
Chart.
Kundli.
Yeah.
If Rahu is in first, Ketu will be in 180-degree seventh house. If Rahu is in second house, Ketu will be in eighth house.
Hmm.
If Ketu is in Rahu is in 12th house, Ketu will exactly opposite sixth house.
Sixth.
They both have same degree always. If Rahu has 0 degree, Ketu will be of 0 degree. If Rahu has 20 degree, Ketu will be of 20 degree.
Yeah.
Right? In a chart, Rahu can be closer to Moon, Rahu can be closer to Ketu, depending upon at what position it is in your chart at that time. But Rahu and Ketu will always be 180-degree apart.
Hmm.
These will always be 180-degree apart. 0, 180. Any chart you take, any chart, they both will be retrograded. I'll
Okay.
make the concept of retrograde. I'll explain you later on. They both
Okay.
will be retrograded,
Okay.
and they both will be 180-degree apart. They can never be in same house,
Okay, sir.
right?
Understand. Okay.
Okay. So let's start with what exactly these these planets represent in one star in Vedic astrology, basically,
Mm.
right? What are their nature? What element they represent? By element, I mean they can represent fire, they can represent earth, they can represent ether. Ether means space.
Mm-hmm.
They can represent air, they can represent water. So five elements they can represent.
Okay, sir.
Then there is your their nature, malefic or benefic.
Okay.
Malefic is mostly known as the good planets, and benefic is mostly known. Benefic is good planet, and malefic is a bad planet, right? Then comes the category, the gender of the planets,
Mm-hmm.
male and female planets, and there are neutral planets also, which don't have sex.